Good morning, Explorer. It's Nat again from the Traveling Foxes. If you're new to my channel, I love sharing my adventures and activities did the guy just trip behind me? To inspire the wanderlust within you. Anyway, today's day 2 here in Boracay and the weather has been so great all morning. I actually got up at 5 a.m. because I wanted to take some ASMR videos. So if you guys are new here, I actually do take some ASMR. I have a playlist, but it's not my focus. I just enjoy actually like looking around and sightseeing and sharing that with you guys. So yesterday I didn't do any closing because I just got so tired. We started playing beach paddle. So also I'm like jumping everywhere right now, but I also have a paddle channel. Well, it's his paddle channel. If you guys want to check it out, I will leave the link below. But we saw people playing beach paddle yesterday and I was like, it looks so much fun and it looks so much like paddle, the sport I play in Manila. And yeah, we tried it out and we really enjoyed it. I mean, it's just as fun but without the walls. So
and
yeah,
the bounce.
And the bounce. So we ended up doing that till it was dark. So yeah, went straight to dinner and then went straight to bed right after. But for dinner I went to Nigi Nigi Nunu's and the live band was so good that I wanted to go home and sleep early, but Chris wanted to stay because the music was just superb. So if you guys, you're a party animal, and yeah, if you guys are looking for live band here in Boracay, Nigi Nigi Nunu's. So yeah, today's going to be a day just enjoying Boracay Island, showing you guys around. We're gonna have breakfast at Sunnyside Cafe, the other side, and then we're gonna play a little bit of beach paddle if there are people there, because they said they start beach paddle between 8 to 11 a.m. every day. And guys, if you want to try it out, you can just go there. Yeah, anything else you want to say? Another thing.
I heard some of your friends are flying up.
Yes, exactly. So when I was out this morning taking some ASMR videos, my friend sent me a DM and he was like, how long are you in Boracay for? I was like, 4 days. And he was like, we will be there in an hour. I was like, you'll be here in an hour? So best you meet me in the paddle beach place. But anyway, I told him to meet me there. Lamont and Josh, you guys have seen Lamont in my previous hiking vlogs, so we're gonna meet him today and yeah, most possibly spend the day with them. So yeah, looking forward to today. I love when things happen and it's unplanned and the weather's perfect, everything's good.
And competitiveness comes out.
And we can compete, yeah. We have made it back to beach paddle. The course is getting made ready, removing all the pebbles because the tide has reached really high. So yeah, gotta start warming up.
An airplane. 7 years ago.
Are you on me? You guys can start.
Yeah, we can start now. Rally.
Rally. I'll just watch. I think it's not so hot this cloud.
Yes.
Hand weather.
You do rally first.
You know, I had to work.
Hey, that.
Can it just be us tonight under the night
camera here. What's up, all the subscribers? Subscribe and follow.
Follow Josh.
Hi,
Natalie.
RJ.
Nice to meet you. The heck man.
This is my girl right here. Coco Nati.
It's now the afternoon and the wind has changed a little bit now. Looks like it's going to rain, but for me, like, it's great because there's a little bit of overcast. Because earlier when we were playing, it was just so freaking hot. Felt like summer. So just having a bit of dark clouds by the beach is actually quite refreshing. Just to give us a little bit of a break from the sun today. But have a look. It's still looks nice. All right, off we go again to find a place to eat. Did you say we're gonna have Japanese today?
I mean, I'm okay with, because I'm not super hungry.
Okay.
So we can look for something. But I did see that there was a Japanese close to
The
the
mall?
mall, I think it was.
Yeah.
It had decent ratings.
Okay. Yeah, I'm okay. If ever I don't like the menu, I could just order something small and go somewhere else. And that's the great thing about Boracay. You have all types of cuisines here. There's a restaurant in every corner, so never run out of options. All right, now it started raining and we're stranded in a restaurant that we don't want to eat at, so we'll just wait a bit. You know what I feel? I feel like I actually look like a Japanese restaurant.
You do.
Right.
When people walk through.
Yeah. Very fitting.
You're messing her up, dog.
Tricycle.
Six people on the motorbike.
No, it's okay. You got her. You're the queen of Boracay. Boom. What's up, Kuya?
Let go.
Oh, sorry.
Let's go.
Alright, follow the bus. Follow the bus.
Chris, sorry I was talking so much trash, Chris.
Hey?
Sorry I was talking so much trash.
Dude, I love it. Especially if I win.
Yeah.
Cabbage? Lettuce and oyster sauce.
Yeah.
That one?
It's like.
Do they have this
it's
one?
like a I think Szechuan.
No.
Oh, okay. 1 Kung Pao chicken. I saw that.
Do they have this? This
No.
one? This one.
这个有吗？
Yeah.
又点了一个，还要吗？要。already have the
You want
this
Okay.
one order. They already have one order. You want share? Just
That.
we order one first. If not enough, we can order more.